Dinosaurs have long captured our imagination with their incredible power and otherworldly appearance. These prehistoric creatures have inspired countless works of art, literature, and film. But did you know that they're also inspiring cutting-edge advancements in robotics? Welcome to my channel, and today, we will be exploring the world of robotics and paleontology and discovering how dinosaurs are inspiring some of the most incredible innovations of our time. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the secrets behind the cutting-edge robots that are being developed from the fossils of these magnificent beasts. You won't want to miss this. From the towering heights of the Brachiosaurus to the fearsome might of the Tyrannosaurus rex, dinosaurs have been fascinating humans for centuries. But it's not just their size and strength that captivates us. It's also their unique anatomy and physiology. In recent years, scientists have made some incredible discoveries about dinosaurs. Thanks to advances in technology, they've been able to study dinosaur fossils in new and innovative ways, revealing all sorts of fascinating insights into these ancient creatures. And what they've learned has not only shed light on the history of life on Earth, but also inspired some of the most exciting developments in the field of robotics. One of the most exciting areas of dinosaur research is the study of their locomotion, or the way they moved around. By analyzing the structure of their bones and the imprint of their footprints in the fossil record, scientists have been able to reconstruct how dinosaurs walked, ran, and even flew. This has led to the development of some truly remarkable robots that mimic the movements of these incredible creatures. For example, researchers at Oregon State University have created a robot that mimics the walking motion of a sauropod dinosaur like the famous Diplodocus. By studying the dinosaur's leg bones and hip joints, they were able to develop a robot that can replicate the dinosaur's distinctive gait with remarkable accuracy. This has not only helped them to better understand how dinosaurs moved, but it's also led to the development of a more efficient and stable walking mechanism for robots. Another area where dinosaurs are inspiring robotic innovation is in the field of materials science. Dinosaurs are known for their incredibly strong and durable bones, which have allowed them to survive for millions of years. By studying the composition and structure of dinosaur bones, scientists are able to develop new materials that are stronger and more resilient. For example, researchers at the University of Texas at Austin have developed a new type of concrete that is inspired by the cellular structure of dinosaur bone. This material is not only stronger than traditional concrete, but it's also more lightweight, which could lead to significant cost savings in construction projects. Similarly, scientists at the University of Manchester have developed a new method for manufacturing titanium alloys that mimics the natural process by which dinosaur bones grow. This results in a stronger and more reliable material that could be used in everything from aircraft components to medical implants. But perhaps the most exciting area where dinosaurs are inspiring robotics is in the field of artificial intelligence. By studying the behavior and intelligence of dinosaurs, scientists are able to develop new algorithms and systems that can mimic the problem-solving abilities of these ancient creatures. For example, researchers at the University of California, Berkeley have developed an AI system that is inspired by the hunting strategies of the velociraptor. This system can be used to develop more efficient and effective algorithms for robotics and autonomous systems. Similarly, scientists at the University of Oxford have developed an AI system that is designed to mimic the social intelligence of dinosaurs, like the herding behavior of the Stegosaurus. This system could lead to major advances in our understanding of social networks and collective behavior. One of the most popular and successful examples of a dinosaur-inspired robot is the development of a robot that can mimic the movements of the iconic Tyrannosaurus rex. This project was led by researchers at the University of Alberta in Canada, who were inspired by the powerful legs and tail of the T-Rex to create a robot that could move with greater speed and agility. The result was a four-legged robot that can run up to 6 meters per second, which is equivalent to the T-Rex's top speed. But that's not all. The robot can also simulate a variety of other movements, such as turning, stopping, and even climbing over obstacles. What's more, the researchers also developed a computer simulation of the T-Rex's movement, which helped them to fine-tune the design of the robot and test its movements in different environments. This research has not only led to the development of a fascinating and realistic robot, but it's also contributed to our understanding of how the T-Rex moved and interacted with its environment. Another remarkable example of a dinosaur-inspired robot is the creation of a robot that can mimic the walking motion of a sauropod dinosaur, such as the Diplodocus. This project was undertaken by a team of researchers at Oregon State University who were inspired by the unique anatomy of these long-necked dinosaurs. By studying the structure of their bones and joints, the researchers were able to develop a robot that accurately replicates the dinosaur's distinctive gait. This research has not only helped us to better understand how dinosaurs moved, but it's also led to the development of a more efficient and stable walking mechanism for robots. But the inspiration from dinosaurs doesn't stop there. Researchers at the University of Tübingen in Germany have developed a robot fish that is modeled after the marine reptile called the Ichthyosaur. This fearsome predator was a true monster of the seas, reaching lengths of over 20 meters and weighing several tons. The robot fish is designed to mimic the Ichthyosaur's swimming motion and is equipped with fins that allow it to move through the water with incredible speed and agility. This research has potential applications in the fields of underwater exploration and surveillance. Another fascinating development is the creation of a robot bird that is inspired by the iconic Archaeopteryx. This robot is designed to mimic the bird-like features of the Archaeopteryx, such as its feathers and wings, and is capable of flapping its wings and gliding through the air. This research has the potential to revolutionize the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. By studying the behavior and anatomy of dinosaurs, scientists are able to develop new algorithms and systems that can mimic the problem-solving abilities of these ancient creatures. The use of 3D printing in dinosaur-inspired robotics is another exciting development. 3D printing allows for the creation of intricate and lightweight designs that can be used to create robots with greater precision and accuracy. For example, researchers at the University of Manchester have used 3D printing to create a replica of a dinosaur skull that was discovered in Argentina. The skull is so accurate that it can be used as a tool for studying the anatomy and evolution of dinosaurs. Additionally, 3D printing has allowed for the creation of more complex and realistic dinosaur-inspired robots. For example, researchers at the University of Alberta have used 3D printing to create a detailed model of the Tyrannosaurus rex skeleton, which they then used to develop a robot that can mimic the movements of this fearsome creature. Paleontology and robotics may seem like two very different fields, but the truth is that they have more in common than meets the eye. Paleontologists and roboticists both study the mechanics of movement, whether it's the way a dinosaur walked or the way a robot moves through its environment. They also both use advanced technologies to analyze and understand their subjects. Robotics is a rapidly evolving field, and paleontologists are constantly learning new techniques to study fossils and reconstruct ancient environments. By combining the expertise of these two disciplines, we can gain a deeper understanding of the world around us and the amazing creatures that have come before us. So the next time you're marveling at the incredible power of a robot or the majesty of a dinosaur, remember that these two worlds are more closely linked than you might think. The use of robotics in paleontology is becoming increasingly important as well. Robots are being used to explore and map caves where fossils have been found, allowing researchers to access areas that were previously out of reach. They're also being used to carefully clean and remove rock from fossils, revealing intricate details that would be impossible to see with the naked eye. Additionally, robots are being used to create 3D models of fossils, which allows researchers to study them from different angles and even virtually dissect them without causing any damage. This technology is particularly useful when studying delicate fossils that can't be handled directly. The study of dinosaurs has captivated humans for centuries. These majestic creatures have inspired awe and wonder in people from all walks of life. And now, they're inspiring cutting-edge advancements in the field of robotics as well. Who knows what other amazing innovations we'll see in the future? As technology continues to advance, we can be sure that the legacy of dinosaurs will live on for generations to come. We hope you enjoyed learning about the cutting-edge robots that are being inspired by dinosaurs. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. We've got lots of videos coming up that we know you'll love. Thanks for watching.